Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, just like Bitcoin, Ether also experienced a bit of a sell-off today, and Ether has dipped further into the orange support region. If you are a regular viewer, then you will know and recall that I mentioned that I'm a bit concerned that the orange support region might break. And it's still a bit of a concern. I mean, it's not a disaster. I should maybe highlight that as well. It doesn't mean that we are all bearish or anything if the support area breaks. I mean, Ether has put quite a bullish structure on the daily chart, but it's still not great because it means that Ether will probably lose its impulsive potential. I will have another look at this tomorrow, but I think it does. That means it could move or morph into a diagonal pattern. It will become a more difficult chart if and only if we get a sustained break below $2,975. So there are two pathways I can still see on this chart. The white one is the very direct pathway here to complete an ABC structure. In this scenario, this support area would break. Again, it wouldn't make the chart bearish, but it would make it definitely less clear. I will need some time tomorrow to take a thorough look at the charts, work on the higher level time frame. If there are any alternatives or so I missed, which can always happen, everybody's, I'm also a human. So I could miss scenarios, I'm just thinking, looking at this subwave structure, if this is a C wave to the downside, it should reach actually this area with the top that we've had. The top was formed at 3,660. Weaker, this B wave was weaker than I wanted it to be, than I would have liked to see, but it was not weaker than a common B wave is. Okay, a B wave can reach the 61.8 fib level, actually quite a healthy B wave, I would say, but in the context of the chart, just not great because this A wave was so deep. The B wave was, in comparison to the A wave, I think, not great because the support area really needs the B wave to be a bit higher, so the C wave down has some space. So all I'm saying is there is a risk that we're breaking below 2,975 unless Ether can form the yellow count, which is possible. I would again like to see it because I would like to have Ether have a healthy position, and it would be just an extended B wave. So in the white count, this is A, B, and we're now coming down in wave C. And we shouldn't even drop much more. I mean, 2,742 is a common target. In this case, the 100% extension target of a C wave. Yeah? And then from there, we could start the fifth wave, possibly, maybe in a different wave degree, maybe as a diagonal. Again, I need to work on that tomorrow. It's too late today. And yeah, but it would be easier for me and also for the bulls and the chart itself, if Ether could do this A wave, and then the B wave is a more extended ABC pattern, and then we come down in the C wave. That would be great, and Ether would then probably test just the higher areas in this resistance area, possibly 3,842 or a bit higher, before the C wave down starts. And if that is the case, we might be able to hold the orange support region. That's basically Ether in a nutshell. We have three waves down, and Ether could still form the yellow count from here, rally in a C wave, but there is absolutely no evidence the C wave has started. And yeah, but we're respecting here the support levels. I mean, the 38.2 fib level is currently being respected. Could it be that all of wave 4 is already over? I mean, is that possible? Yeah, anything is possible. Is it probable? I'd say no, because this rally to the upside was only a three-wave move. It's not preferred without further evidence, yeah? First of all, let's see if maybe the yellow count works out. Again, it would be healthy for the wave 4. It would be healthier for the Ether chart, but yeah, it's also not very probable. But if it starts that C wave higher, then from here. So it's just something to observe. I think the parameters are all very clear. They're all in the chart. Message here, don't panic if we break below 2,974. We don't have a confirmed low in place anyway, so we're looking for lower until we see a first reaction either to 2,975 or here this white support area. Yeah, I hope you liked the update about Ether. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.